So get in the habit of drawing every day and just being consistent with my practice. For the past week, I've been drawing and creating a daily sketch since February 22nd. So about a week and a half ago, I've been doing this. And drawings on the screen here are my first initial sketches from day one on February 22nd. And this is where the challenge really started for me. I really decided after that day that I was gonna start drawing daily and just see how long I can go for. Right now I'm on day, I think 12. So after I get done recording this video, I'm gonna get back to drawing. I've been in the habit of drawing every day, drawing sketches and really learning how to use reference and learning how to combine references to create different kinds of characters, and definitely using reference to make this whole process easier for me, because trying to draw every day without reference is hard. You can definitely do that and just draw from imagination, but I think to improve and to get better at art and drawing, specifically drawing characters, it's definitely good to have reference up. Make sure you're using that to guide your drawings and your sketches. And that's what I've been doing this past week and a half or so. Just using reference. I literally just pull references from Pinterest, put them on my canvas in Clip Studio, and use those to create a quick sketch. And most of my sketches I get done within 30 minutes to an hour. I think that's a good time frame to get these sketches done. And these are like really refined sketches too, as you can see in the time lapse. And that's just because I want to be drawing for 30 minutes to an hour every day, getting better at drawing characters and drawing faces, and challenging myself to draw different clothing and different even animals. Sometimes I'm drawing animals. Um, so this is just a good exercise that you can do to work on to improve in your character design. And my goal for this is to, number one, draw every day. Number two, get better at character design. So that's why I'm using Pinterest and using references. And I'm also limiting my choices of reference. So everyone except for like the third one, I only use about 3 to 4 references, just to improve my ability on creating something from less, I guess, and working on that skill. But I think the more reference you have, the better. For this though, just because I'm doing the sketches so quickly in 30 minutes to an hour, it helps just to have like fewer references to just limit my ideas and just come up with something quick that I can draw, even if it turns out bad. The one sketch I have that I really don't like is the one with the wolf and like the warrior guy. It's an alright sketch. It's not the best one out of the bunch, but yeah, just this whole exercise is helping me discover my flow and my way of drawing, and it's really been beneficial to me. I can see just from me coming up with ideas and me sketching, and I highly suggest that you try this out. What I like about this is that I'm not expecting a lot out of it. I'm not expecting a finished illustration or finished drawing. I'm just expecting a loose sketch that I may or may not like. So that's the beauty of this exercise, is that nothing is set in stone. Nothing is to be finished, but I just expect myself to draw every day and create something every day. And for me, I'm just focused on characters. So you can do this with anything. You can do this with backgrounds, cars, machines, whatever you want to draw. And so I think this is a good way to get better at whatever subject matter you want to start drawing. But I'm gonna let this time lapse play out. Hopefully you enjoy the rest of this, and definitely try this challenge or this exercise out for yourself. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
It's what are you doing?